how to replace hard drive, upgrade hard drive on a desktop. First we have to open it. It's locked on here on the side. Push it out. Pull it out. Okay. Alright. First you have to remove your CD DVD drive. Okay. Pull it up and remove it. Okay. That is hard drive. What you have to do, just have to take it out. Okay. And have two connectors over here. Here two connectors, cables. Just remove it, it's easy. Done. That's all. And get new one, replace it, upgrade, get that hard drive, connectors. Okay. Okay, got it. Put hard drive on place. Alright. And after that you put back your CD DVD drive. Locked. Alright. Easy to replace and fast. Thank you and good luck.